Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Mini Med Show. In our first episode, we cracked open the dictionary and asked, what is medicine? Well, today we're going on a field trip to see where all that medicine happens. We're exploring the incredible, non-stop team that happens inside our body right now. Get ready to meet the whole team. There are many different systems that keep you alive. Now, your body isn't just one thing. It's a collection of specialized teams all working together. Think of it like a city. You've got a transportation department, a power grid, a waste management team. Your body has the same thing. Let's meet the big players. First, circulatory system. This is your heart, blood, and all those blood vessels. They're kind of like the delivery drivers, transporting oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every single cell. Next, the respiratory system. Your lungs and airways. They're the oxygen suppliers, bringing in fresh air and getting rid of carbon dioxide, the exhaust gas. Then we have the digestive system. This is a long winding tube from your mouth to the end. It's the fuel processing plant, turning the food you eat into usable energy kind of. And we can't forget the nervous system, your brain, spinal cord, and nerves. This is the command center basically, and the communication network, sending lightning fast messages to control everything in your body. And according to the National Institute of Health, our body works 24/7 together with all these different systems. This is a plastic cup, a straw, and a really small piece of bread. And this might sound a bit complicated, but let's just break it down with stuff that I just got from my kitchen. This piece of bread is our food, right? And it goes in my mouth, right? Where my teeth and saliva start breaking it down. Suppose this cup is the mouth, okay? Now, it travels down my esophagus, okay, and into my stomach. Now, if I add a little water into the cup, which I already have to cover the bread, it's kind of like the acids and enzymes that my stomach adds. And if I put my hand over and shake it gently, it's all the good nutrients from this soup need to get into my blood. And that happens in the intestines. If I now poke the straw into the murky water in the cup, this straw is like a blood vessel, right? Absorbing the nutrients, and my heart and lungs, they all work together to pump that nutrient-rich blood everywhere it's needed. See, one piece of bread, but it takes a whole team to process it. Now, why does it matter? This is kind of like a domino effect. Why should you care that it's all connected? Because when one team has a problem, it affects all the others, right? It's a domino effect. Let's say you have asthma, which is really a problem. Yeah, in your respiratory system, your lungs struggle to get oxygen. What happens? Your circulatory system, your heart, now has to work overtime to pump what little oxygen you have left. You feel tired and short of breath. Or if you eat a lot of junk food, stressing your digestive system, you might not get the right nutrients. Your muscles won't have good fuel. Your brain might feel foggy. Understanding this connection is the key to understanding your own health. You're not just treating a lung or a stomach. You're supporting a whole interconnected team. According to the World Health Organization, our whole body is an interconnected team. Let's do a quick 30-second activity to feel this connection in real time. I want you to place 2 fingers on the side of your neck, kind of like where your pulse is. Do you feel that thump? That's your pulse, your circulatory system at work. Now, while still feeling your pulse, take a really slow, deep breath in and out. Do you notice that your pulse might just change a little bit? That's your circulatory and respiratory systems talking to each other right now, automatically. Cool, right? Time for a quiz. All right, let's see what you remember. Question 1. What system is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients? A, digestive, B, circulatory, or C, nervous? The answer is B, the circulatory system. Your blood is the delivery service. Question 2. True or false? The nervous system is only your brain. False. It's your brain, spinal cord, and all the nerves throughout your body. And that's a wrap on our tour of the body's amazing team. I hope you see yourself now as a walking, talking, organized city. But next time, we're going to zoom in one of the hardest workers of all, the heart. We're diving deep into the circulatory system to see how this incredible pump keeps everything running. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and I'll see you next episode.